Hi guys, another fast coding challenge. This time I will be making a simple cat program. So this is our project structure, which I have already chosen several sound files for the meow sound, like different kinds of meow. And here is the credits for the ASCII art as well as the sound source, which I will be using later. Here are two chord snippets which I found online. One is the clear screen one, another one is the play sound snippets. So without further ado, this time I guess I will be taking more time than the previous one because of the complexity, increased complexity. So later you will see how the pet cat will be look like. Don't be scared. Without further ado, I guess it will be taking more time, but let's try it. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, go. Package cat, and we have a main method, public class main, which we have a main method here. Then the void main with the argument. I'll be throwing all the exception away. Here, still I will be using the buffer reader. New input string reader, system dot in, and wow dr dot read line dot equals. Still I will be closing the program when I reach a -1. If it is not equal to -1, I will do something like meow, so I can control the meow sound through the program. So still we will be using the same thing as we are doing in the snowfall program, which we will have a class named cat implements also the runnable. So it will be again threading, and for threading, remember that you need to override the public void run. So this is the main method for the thread, and here we have a thread goes to new thread, and inside I'll be putting a cat. So cat will be our runnable. Cat goes to new cat without constructor, and here the thread will be started, and here thread will be end by using the cat.shutdown. So how can we shut down it like previous one? So it is static boolean is running equals to true. Then we have a public void shutdown that will control the is running and set it to false. So here, while it's running, then I will do the main thing, the cat render and update, so on. And also I will have to try and catch the thread.sleep. Now I will sleep for like 0.5 seconds. Exception. Later you see why. And do nothing. Okay. So basically there is it. And another one is that. So now we have the main method as well as the simplest form of the cat class. Now we need to define several variables. The most important one is the graphics for the cat. So we have a cat that is facing the right. So this, I think it will be taking the most number of time. So this is the cat facing right, and with the eyes open. So to define the, this one I need to escape its ears and make a plus sign here. These are mandatory. Let me see. This one would be like this, and this one would be like this also. one also the same. Okay, and with some several line breaks. So let's see if it works. This is the cat facing right side, but obviously I need to align it, the ears, the face. Okay, seems good, huh? No. This one needs to be, yeah, same line. And now, yeah, this is our first cat. Cat facing right, and final means something like constant. So the value of this cat will not be changed. Like it will be constant throughout the where we are doing. Okay, this is the Meow, which will be using a smiling face, and also an O. Yeah, because you are meowing, right? And cat left. When cat is facing a left side, definitely I need to move everything like from the right to left and align them together. Similar thing, just that. Here I have already counted the parentheses at the left side will be 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the cat facing your left. And for the cat facing your right, facing your left meow, it will be something like here, here, and here. Okay, so now I need to set also final integer the x limit. So like last time my x limit will be, now I will be setting it like 20. And let me think whether we have other things left or no. So coming to a main method. Now if okay, I'll be setting several things also, like to identify the position of the cat. It will be starting from 0 to identify whether it's facing a right side or left side. I will be setting its right, and to identify the meow, I will set a meow time, which you are meowing or not. Okay, so all of these I was setting volatile to avoid any kind of mistakes that is possible due to the read and write problem. Okay, so if it's right and its position is more than or equals to like its limit, x limit, I will be setting its right because it's already exceeding its limit, right? So its right is equals to false and position will be minus. Else if is right and position less than x limit, position minus, not plus. Else if is right, is not right, and position is more than or equals to, no, I'm going to use the edge case, okay, less than or equals to 0. So this time I need to face the right. Seems like straightforward, right? Equals to true, and position will be plus. Else position will be minus of the x facing the right. So this is how we are going to update the position of the cat and setting if it is right or it's left. After we update the cat, we need to render the cat. So we'll call the method render cat. So we haven't implemented the render cat yet. I'm going to set up the synchronize keyword. So I'm going to set up the play sound method first. So in this play sound method, we will be using the code snippets here. But before that, New thread. New runnable. Run. Here, putting the snippets inside. And oh shit, and okay. And now we will be using the. Okay, before I initialize the thread, I need to use the file name equals to Meow plus new random, because I'm setting the random number between 0 and 6, so I'll be 0 and 5, so I'll be using the 6 dot, so it's next in, so 6 plus dot wav file. This line of codes will only work in the wav file, the player sound codes. So afterwards, after we get the player sound, then here we already implement the runnable, and the thread it has to be started. Yeah. So we start the thread, then everything should be already set up. Yeah. So it seems like here I need to catch some arrows, and let's see what arrow we have to catch. Never mind lah. I will be catching everything, huh? Yeah, simply everything. Putting in the try catch. So don't expect me to do anything to the arrow. Yeah, exception E. Okay, now here is our player sound method. We have already made it synchronized so that it is thread safe. So for example, if multiple player sound coming together, yeah, it can ensure that no error occurs due to the threading, multi-threading with several thread off for the threading. So now, after we play sound, then okay, we need to implement also render cat. But before that, maybe we can implement the meow method first. Yeah, it will be easier. So if the meow time is already greater than 0, it means that the cat is currently meowing already, so I need to return. I don't want to do anything. So same, because of this being called in another thread, I also make it synchronized to avoid any error due to the multi-threading with the performance thread off. And if it is not greater than 0, it means that I can update the cat already. So I will set the meow time equals to 4, for example, like 4 times. And I need to also render the cat. Yeah, after we update it, we need to render the cat. And now here is our time to implement the render cat. So here I don't think it should be synchronized. Yeah, you don't have to, because it's only a getter. So render cat. Make it synchronized. No, it's not only getter. Meow time minus. Okay. Now we need the if else condition. Now here we come this is the graphic for cat. We need to select which one we are using. So here, these 4 positions no. Okay, it can be used. Like it's a similar things, except if it is facing the right and the meow time is greater than 0, it means it's currently meowing. So our cat should be cat right. What we call it? Okay, meow. Yeah. So else if it is right and the meow time is less than or equals to 0, we will be setting the cat equals to cat right on D. Yeah, if it's facing the left and we have the meow time greater than 0, yeah, same thing. The cat will be cat left meow, and else the cat will be cat left on this. Yeah. So now we have a string of cat, but this cat is without the position. So we need to append the position to the cat. How can we do that? We are using string tokenizer again to tokenize the string first. So new string tokenizer with the cat. So we are splitting out the cat with the next line. So we are getting each and every line of cat. And now we have some string builder. At first we need to get the spaces. So this is to get the number of spaces. String builder is something like a string that we can append anytime. We can mutate the string itself. So I need to append something like a space for the number of time that is equivalent to position. I plus spaces dot append. So now we have the spaces. Another thing we need to have is the append the spaces at the end. So we need to do something like this. String builder cat with position equals to new string builder. So for while st dot has more token. Yeah. While it has more token, I need to do the cat with post dot append. What I had to append is the spaces dot to string first. First I get the position, then plus the st dot next token. This is the cat itself, and with the what else we need to have? Yeah, with the next line, because we have already like splitting them out. So now we have the cat with post. So this one I need to print it. So I need to use the normal system to auto print line. Cat with post. Yeah, something like this. I think I'm done. What? Am I done? When I meow, I need to, this one. I didn't play the sound. So the cat sound will not actually be played. And here, I need to meow. Yeah. Okay, I think so. Let's try building it. So here is the Java C. I will be using the -d stands for directory, and I'm going to put inside the cat directory that I have here. Yeah. Oh no. Sorry about that. Yeah. I will just putting at the root directory so that it will be automatically creating a new directory for me. So in order to play it, this one I will be calling Java cat.man. You see, I have missed out one thing. That is using the code snippets for try catch and clear screen. Yeah. If I want to clear the screen, I need to do it in the main method, which I'm what is main method? Something like this. Here. So before I render the cat, what I do in the render cat, do it here. Okay. Java C method Java cat main. Ooh, I hear that. But I don't think you hear that. I need to open the system sound. No, I need to close this first. 70 minutes, damn. Taking too long time, man. How can I wait me for a while. I will reopen this again later because I want to let you hear the sound. Well, I'm back. Let's test the program again. Now this is our cute cat. When I press enter, it will meow with the eye closed and the mouth open. Yeah. When it passes the X limit, it will go to the left side. And I enter again. So this is our ASCII cat. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this program. That this one is a little bit taking more time than the snowfall, but both are using actually the same method. I've been using like the same thing. Well, again, it's time to do some explanations to a code I have. Yeah, you can just keep moving like somewhere beside here. Okay, so now we have 4 cat. This one is a cat going to the right, cat going to the left, and this one, all these things are final. Remember, final is a constant, so we don't have to alter it anytime. Yeah, we will do the manipulation by using another string. So this 4 will be static, and the x limit will be the limit where it turns. And here are the several variables that we will be using to control the behavior of cat. In this case, just now for the meow, right, I actually put this meow time. If it is already like just meow recently, it won't be able to meow again. Like if I enter like multiple enter, yeah, I will be like, if it is already meowing, it won't be meow again. Yeah, this is the mechanism to stop user from pressing too many times of meow. Yeah. Back to the top. Several variables here. The first one is for controlling whether we should terminate the program or not. The second one is the position of the cat. There's the spaces here. The third one is if it's facing the right or facing the left. And another one is the meow time, which once enter, I will be setting the meow time equals to 4. It means that it needs like 4 frames in order for the mouth to close. Like this one, like if I press enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, something like this. So these 4 variables are everything that we need to use to control the cat. Now we have the shutdown. Yeah, same thing. Render cat. So render cat will be clear screen first, and getting the cat image based on the situation we have. After that, we will be doing some string manipulation to add the spaces at the beginning of every line of strings, and setting the meow time to minus minus, so that when it reaches 0, it will be closing the mouth. Now play sound is just a helper function for us to play the sound randomly, so it will be like 0 to 5. Any meow sound will be happening. Now this is a meow sound, and main method is pretty simple. If I reach the limit, I need to set its right to false and set the position to minus minus. If I reach the left side limit, I need to set the converse, the inverse of converse. So the its right is true, then the position will be plus plus. And render the cat as usual. This one also I need to render the cat after I put the meow to quickly like make it open its mouth. So the main method will be initializing a new cat and put it in the thread, start the thread, and every time when I get the input is not equal to -1, I will be keep doing the program while meowing one time, yeah, from the main method. So this is a shutdown after I press a -1, then yeah, you will exit the program. So that's it for the meow program. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it can help you somehow. I will also be putting this program in GitLab afterwards. So see you next time for the code challenge. Bye.